Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to see modifiers. Okay, what are the modifiers? What are the important modifiers? I'm going to tell you about some important modifiers. Okay, so I'll explain it in brief. Okay, so yeah. So first of all, I will delete this default cube. I will click Shift A and I will take a cube. So this is a default cube. Everyone knows that, right? So here in this editor, in this properties panel, we have all this like tool workspace and render and output properties, all these things we have, right? So in that we also have the modifiers. This is the modifiers, the symbol, this symbol is the modifiers here. If you click this one, you will be getting this add modifier drop down. Okay, by selecting by or clicking on this add modifier, you can select the different type of modifiers. So there are some important basic modifiers here. I'm going to tell you those things only, and remaining you should um, do yourself. Okay, if you experiment on these things, everything you will understand simply, but I will go through the important things here. Okay, the most common modifiers we'll be using while we are modeling. Okay, while doing this 3D modeling, we will be using some important things that I will tell you. Okay, yeah. So coming to the modifiers, so I have took already a cube here, and to this cube we will apply the modifier. How to apply the modifier? It is simple. Just you can go to the add modifier and just click on whatever the modifier you want. So first of all, we have something called array. This we will do. Okay, what is this array? Click on the array. If you see, the box actually got scaled in the x-axis, right? But it didn't scale it actually. It actually got two boxes. See, if I click on the wireframe, there are two boxes here. So how you can see that? See, this is array. Array means nothing but it duplicates, right? It makes a clone of the objects. It make a clone of the same object. So it clones the object multiple times, whatever the value you give. See, present it have two counts, so it have two cubes here. So to make it visible more clearly, let me change the offset. Oh, offset is not changing. Maybe, yeah, this one. In the x I have changed. Okay, see, I have two cubes here, right? So if I increase the count, it will go on increase the cubes. See, this is what array means. It will clone the objects in the according to the position, scale, and according to the pivot also. Okay, according to the pivot also it will give you the array. Okay, see, in the x-axis I have changed the distance, and I gave 5 counts. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and plus 1 is equal to 5. So 5 cubes I have, right? I can also change it in the y axis. I can also change it in the z axis. So these things are helpful sometimes, like when you are creating steps, right? When you are creating the stairs and all, you will be using this one. Okay. So this is what array means. So again, we have another modifier called bevel. Bevel you already know. Control B is equal to bevel, and what it will do? Control B, it will smooth out, right? So same thing it will happen here. See, to smooth it out more, you just need to add the segments, smooth it out, right? So this is what bevel means. So modifiers are very simple actually. No need to worry about this. If you are actually doing something, if you're really in the real time you are doing some model, you will be using these modifiers, but not all the time. I can say when it is necessary only. Okay, boolean is something that helps you cut the objects. Okay, see, I will just click Shift D to duplicate, and I will keep it like this. Okay. So I have I just overlapped this cube with this cube, right? Now, if I take this cube, if I select this cube and go to the modifiers and add the boolean, I add the boolean here, and now there is a picker object here, right? So just click on the picker and you can pick this object. Now it will cut the this cube will cut this object. Simply, to put it in simply way, see, if I remove this one, if I hide this one, you can see, right? It got cut out, right? See, So where this object is touching this object, that part is cut off, right? So this is what boolean means. You can delete this cube, remove this one. Okay, you know boolean also, right? And also build, not important, I'm not telling you. Decimate is for another purpose. When the time comes, I will explain you about the decimate. And another thing I want to tell you is the mirror. This is very important too. Mirror, you can use it to mirror. Like, see, if there is okay, I will add the mirror to this object itself. Mirror in the y-axis, in the z-axis. What happening? It is mirroring in the same place. If I click the bisect, no, only in the y-axis I will give. I can remove the merge limit clipping. I will of like flip UI. Nothing is working because what? Because of this one. So you need that is in the world origin. Cursor is in the world origin. Okay, the cursor is in world origin. So because that is why it is in the middle. Okay, simply to put it, it is in the middle. That's why all the objects are spawning at the same place. So to change that, what I will do is I will take another sphere. Okay, I will take a sphere. G. There is a circle. Okay, no problem. I took a circle. No problem. Take this cube. Click on this picker and select this. See, now there is a, now it got, you can see now, right? Now you can see it is mirrored in the y-axis. If I click in the x-axis, it will mirror in the x-axis, and if you click in the g-axis, it mirrored in the g-axis. You can also flip these UIs and all. This is for UI, sorry, textures. Okay, for UVs. Okay, I will tell you about the UVs in the other classes. You can make it bisect in all the axes. I don't want that. Okay, if you change the circle, if I change the position of this circle, all the cubes changed, right? So this is what mirror does. Okay, this is what mirror does. It will mirror in the whatever the axis you give, it will mirror. Okay, if it is facing this side, if you mirror in the y-axis, the face will come this side, which means it will rotate to the opposite side. Okay, so that is what mirror means. Actually everybody will know what mirror is, no need to explain, I think. So and I click this object and I will add another modifier, which is subdivision surface. It smooths out the object. Okay, it smooths out the object. You can subdivide more and more, it will become like a sphere. It subdivides the object. Okay, it subdivides every face. Okay, it will make it smooth. Okay, so that is the subdivide. And after that, there is something else called wireframe. You can see the wireframe here. You can increase the thickness, you will get like this. Okay, this is the wireframe. So these are the modifiers can like it is a smart work, you can say. Modifier enables to make the work fastly. Okay, so there is also a very important modifier which we will use frequently, that is a bend modifier. That is simple deform. Here this is a simple deform. To in order to work correctly, simple deform will not work correctly if you don't add any segments. For now there is no segments to the object, right? So if I am twisting means it will twist the object, it will twist the object, it will rotate the object in the axis we have given. Bend means it will bend the object. Taper, it will make somewhat like this. It will converge one side and it will diverge one side, like that. Stretch means, you know, it will stretch. So now present it is not working correctly. Why? There are no segments. To make it work correctly, go to the edit mode, click the tab, go to the edit mode. After going to the edit mode, just click A, you will select everything and scale it. Scale it in the x-axis like this. Now right click and subdivide. Subdivide in the like this. Okay, subdivide like this. Now I have subdivided. There are a lot of vertex, right? Now if I use the twist, go out to the go out of the edit mode, then it will work. If I take the twist now and in the Z, in the Z. Wait, I will go to the modeling. Okay, now it looks good. Yeah, now you can see simple deform. It will twist. Okay, it will twist the object now. See, if I switch on the wireframe, you can see it is twisting the object. So this is what twisting means. Okay, now you understand what is twisting. Now the bend will be in the z axis. See, this is the bend. Like if you want to create some arch or something, you can use the bend modifier. Or tapper will make it big one side and smaller one side, like this. See, like this, like a pyramid it will make it, right? Now, and there is a stretch, you all know, it will stretch it. That's it. It will stretch the object in the axis, in the same axis, like x, y or z. If I click y, it will stretch in the y. If I click x, it will stretch in the x, like this. So this is what modifiers are. You can use it to create the work in a fast way. Okay, so you can make it faster. Okay, you can make a 3D model faster, like arches or walls. If you want to create some shapes, you can use the modifiers. Okay, there is a particle system, there is cloth simulations. Okay, you need to do everything. Like if you experiment on all these things, you will, there is nothing like nothing extra difficult here. Everything is simple. You can go add, you can see what is going on when you apply the particular modifier. You can do everything. Okay, so see, triangulate, it will triangulate everything. See, added one single edge in the middle, it triangulated everything. So this is a triangle, this is a triangle, like that. And there is a decimate. Again, decimate will reduce the poly. See, it reduce the poly, right? Reduce the poly. And there is a, these are stimulations things. I'm not going to tell you about these things. These are stimulation. Don't want this now. This is about the particle system. If I make a video about the particles and all, I will explain these things. Okay, so see, now you know array, bevel, boolean. See, build also you can see. If I reverse, it will come. See, it is building and reducing the faces. Building and reducing the faces. See, so this is what build modifier do. So all these are modifiers you use when you are really creating some 3D models. Okay. So yes, so I hope you learned something from this video. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will get updates when I create a new video and when I upload a new video in the YouTube. So yes, so we'll go through the basic modeling, advanced modeling in the next video. So stay tuned to my channel. So this is it for this video. See you in the next video.